Alright, today I'm going to show you how to assemble your Spider Vs2. Alright, so what you want to do first, of course, get this, and then put this in here. And if it doesn't go in, it just slides, just do it again. There you go. Alright, next thing you want to do, you want to just get this, and then fuck it. Alright, and then put it in here. Good shit. Right, there you go. And then get these two, both barrels, and put it like that. And then of course you just put it in this barrel hole. Alright. And then this is your tubing that goes right here. But since mine messed up, I have to use a different valve. So I'm going to do this. Click it, and then put it in this one. Alright, and then put it. Well, I can't really hook mine on yet because it's still messed up. Then it goes up there. And pretty much all you need is this and your hopper. Okay, so you're just gonna screw this in. You just throw your hopper in there. Alright. And then another thing I'm gonna show you is the modes. Alright, this is just it's not on. This is just the regular one. So alright. This is just the regular mode. But there's two modes. There's this mode and the 3-round burst. The 3-round burst is you hold this bottom button down for 3 seconds. And then it blinks, and then it should and there's the 3-round burst. But to put it back, you just hold it down for 3 more seconds, and then there you go. I can shit this pretty fast. I mean, this is my view of it, and I'm playing. And then, look, that's your Spider Vs2. And that's pretty much it. So, bye.